Hey guys, this is your boy D Hayes. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to decorate a small bathroom, as well as go into a little more detail about the items I actually selected for this small bathroom DIY $30 makeover. So let's go, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is D Hayes, the DIY monster. I'm here with another video. So I'm in the bathroom right now, actually, as you can kind of see. So you know where it goes down. Does it really go down in the bathroom? I mean, I guess it goes down, but anyway. Guys, so last week I did the reveal of this DIY $30 makeover of this space. As you know, it's a small bathroom. It's 5 by 5, but having a small bathroom does not mean you have to have a boring bathroom. All right, guys. So if you tuned into episode number 2, you got to see the reveal of how this space actually transformed and all came together. So just in case you didn't tune into episode number 2, I forgive you, but don't forget to go ahead and click subscribe, like this video, and turn on that notification so you can stay informed. But here's a quick little reveal, reveal, or rewind back to the reveal from episode number 2. It's great to see how a quick reveal of how everything looked in the end, but also I think it's very important to understand how we actually got there. How it went from being the green countertops, being the plain white walls, being the brown vanity. Like, how did it actually go from all of that ugliness to what you see now today? Here's one last look at my bathroom before I give you guys those decorating tips. As you can see, I do have a glass shower, and I decided not to cover that up because there is a window that brings in a lot of natural light that makes the space seem even that much larger, and that's very important when you're working with a small space. Since I had a small space, I also decided to bring in a space saver. It's a nice vertical option to really maximize the space that you have in your bathroom. It's great for storing all different types of things. Also, as you can see, the wallpaper is up. It makes a bold and impactful statement even in a small space. I've even added, as you can see, around the border of the mirror, I covered that with wallpaper as well because there was some damage, but it also just makes it more finished and more polished and more chic in this space. To finish off this $30 transformation, I covered the countertop in this faux marble that really makes it feel more chic and high-end. When decorating a small space, choosing the appropriate size decorative items is going to be key in maximizing the space. This 12 by 15 sign that says "Think Outside the Box," I think I got it from Marshall's for $8.99, was perfect addition to add into this space. And also make sure that when you're adding things, to tie it back into the theme that you've selected for that space. I think it's very important that when you're decorating a space, you really think about it and you fill it with things that are very significant to your life as well as that inspire you. Alright, a great way to also increase the storage in your small space is to add in baskets. It's a great way to store tiles and things like that. As you can see, I'm starting to roll up tiles and things like that for guests. Well, actually, you know what? That's a lie because these towels are not for guests. These are solely for display. They're looking too nice in that basket, but you get the point. You can have baskets to increase the storage, put those little things that you don't want out in the open, or you want made available readily for your guests. All right, but you guys get the point, and looks like I'm having some issues with my folding skills, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this part, save you guys some time, but you get the idea. Alright, now that all my wash clothes are rolled up very nicely, I love a great presentation, it's time to start adding in all those extra little things. So I love positive messages of affirmation. So know your worth, then add tags. It really speaks to me. I also added in this little bird with the crown. I don't know his significance. If you do know, let me know in the comments, but I thought it was whimsy, it was fun, and went with my space and the decor that I was looking for my theme. I also added in light bulbs, and these light bulbs, funny story, they actually were already in the light fixture. They were blown out, they didn't work, but I felt they would make a cool element for decor. And I also love candles. I love candles. So this one also has a positive message. All things are possible with God. So it worked for me. And then I added in some tiles, very plush. And then I alternated the colors, black and white and black, just to really also play into the overall black and white theme in this bathroom. All right, a great way to store and display your colognes or your perfumes for that matter is to get a decorative tray. And this one kind of has like a silver foil type finish on it with a slight texture to it, but it was really a nice way to really display all of my favorite colognes. Unfortunately, I don't have as much space as I had before, so I only had to put out my key colognes that I like to wear. All right, when you're working with a small space, again, baskets are a great way for you to really be able to conceal those things that you need but don't really want out in the open. It's very decorative and it just keeps everything very nicely organized. All right, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. You guys don't need to say how I put every single washcloth into this basket. You know, I'm ex-military, so my folks is on point. I mean, they on point, but you don't need to see all that. Let's take a look at how all these decorative elements all work together to really take the decor of this bathroom to the next level. Playing off of that whole black and white theme, playing off of the whimsiness and even the weirdness of the movie, it just all comes together and it's very impactful and bold and makes a statement. Working with a small space can be very challenging. However, you have to be very creative and think outside the box. Here's a space saver that I actually picked up from Walmart for roughly $10 to really maximize the space that I have on top of my countertop. For my space, I used it to display a little sign of affirmation, again, because I love them. It says, work hard, be kind, and stay humble. Just another little positive daily reminder. I've also used the space saver to store my soap dish on, as well as place my toothbrush holder. And I even once again included a light bulb that I got from the light fixture from when I initially moved in and it didn't work. But I thought that they were really cool. They kind of had like that Edison light bulb feel to it. So I just added that in as another decorative element that really played into the space, making it fun, you know, a little whimsy element, something very unexpected in this space. For those of you who are interested in the items that you see in this video, I will be placing them in the description, so don't you worry, you'll know exactly where to get them from and how much they cost. So I picked up this vase from Walmart actually for like $4. And I love that it had the stripes, which also played off of the black and white stripe wallpaper, but I love that it was going in a horizontal direction instead of being in a vertical direction. And then I also, again, I love to bring in florals into a space because it adds that element of life into it, although these are fake. These are not real. I travel a lot for work, you know, before Corona. And so I don't really deal with real flowers, so this was perfect for me. All right, now I'm gonna add in a hand towel. Now I will say for me, this is more of a decorative feature. I have a roll of paper towels that I use, as well as I have for guests to, you know, wash your hands, dry them off, you're done, throw it in the trash. It's just a little more hygienic in my personal opinion. I'm adding in some actual little jars. This is where I keep my Q-tips and little things like that. All right, so now I'm going to add in my hand dispenser. I love this. This is, again, more decorative for me. I do have like an additional little thing of hand soap that I have for guests and as well as for myself. And again, I love candles, so I love the smell of this candle that I got from Marshall's as well. Hopefully this shows you that if you have a challenging small bathroom, that it doesn't have to be boring, that you can have fun with it, it can be bold, and can make a statement. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so that when I do upload a video full of these tips and tricks that are renter and budget friendly, that you will be notified of it and you can stay in the know. All right, just lighting my candles up, getting my smell good on. You know, I just love the way the candles the way that they make a room feel. So that's it, folks, on this small DIY bathroom makeover. To think outside the box. I know it's a bathroom, but don't be afraid to have fun with your spaces. I know we all go to the bathroom to do our do, whether it's number 1 or number 2. You gotta do that do, but make it fun. Let's just make Alright guys, so that's the inside scoop on my bathroom. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you are walking away with a little bit of more knowledge of how to really transform your small bathroom and make it bold, make it fun, just, really making it you. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on that notifications so you can get those weekly updates about the DIY projects that I'll have coming to you guys. And I will catch you next week. This is your DIY monster, D Hayes. I'm out. Have a wonderful day. Peace.